Hello everyone! There are several ways to earn through and on YouTube. One of them is monetization of your YouTube channel. It means that YouTube can place ads into your videos. One of the ways is through membership, platform where people donate you the money through sponsorship. But the most important thing is that you create and publish the content that people like, that is interesting, informative, watchable, but following the terms and conditions, YouTube guidelines, and common sense. Now, let's get back to how to monetize your YouTube channel. And remember, the good targeting is of a great importance. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. There are several steps in monetizing your channel. First is to have a Google account and YouTube channel. How to see and know if your channel is monetized. Go to your YouTube account, YouTube Studio, left menu, click on Monetization. You'll need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watched hours of your videos. If you click on the tab, YouTube can notify you when you're eligible to be monetized. And how to get to that? Make videos and upload them regularly. Call people to action on this and other platforms. Invite people to watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. Create interesting content. Learn how to use SEO as a helper in getting there. Don't forget to be regularly present with your content. In order to receive money from YouTube, you'll need to have a bank account and credit card number. Now, when your channel is monetized, how can you use that option? Go to YouTube account, YouTube Studio, left menu, and click on Monetization. In this place, YouTube explains in detail video advertising, memberships, and supers. Now, if your channel is monetized, it looks like this. There are several ways for earning money via YouTube. For example, video advertising, getting revenue from ads. Advertisers can run ads on your videos that follow the advertiser-friendly guidelines. Advertisers pay YouTube for the ad. YouTube places the ad on your video and pays you for that placement. Be sure to know the CPM for the countries that are watching your video. This also depends on whether people watch the whole video to the next step if it's required, or make conversions. This is a part where YouTube tells you what you should or should not do, what kind of videos are appropriate or inappropriate, and what kind of videos can and can't be monetized. Merchandise. You can design and sell your official merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases below your videos. Knowing your audience, you'll know what to sell. If your subscribers are mostly women and like lifestyle themes, you can sell makeup, shirts, shoes, accessories, and so on. You're choosing the goods, names, and prices. Keep in mind that a cross-promotion through social media can help. In order to sell your products, you'll need to have over 10,000 subscribers. The channel has to be eligible for monetization. You're based in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. If your channel is a music channel, it has to be an official artist channel. Your audience is not set as made for kids, does not have a significant number of videos that violate the channel monetization policies, and didn't receive community guideline strikes. And your channel has to be a partner of the YouTube Partner Program. You can see someone's merchandise or not, depending on whether that specific channel sells and ships merchandise in your country. The shop can be seen if you go to someone's channel, then click on someone's video. The shop will show here. Now, how to set up a shop. First, you'll have to go to Monetization, Merchandise, and select a third-party partner. Get an ID, and connect it to your channel. Your merchandise can be apparel, digital, accessories, for home, and so on. Prepare photos of your products, or you can choose and design them right here on the platform, choosing the item, color of it, adding the photo or logo, text, setting the price, write the description, upload it on a platform through several clicks. Add more products to the shop, and connect your shop with your channel. When your shop is set and you start selling, you can track the analytics. Check your balance at any time. The good thing is that you can connect your YouTube shop to your website so that the subscribers can become your customers as well. You can track sold items, balance, and shop items from other channels as well. Now, you can create promotions, make discounts, track pixels as well. Integrations can help you to connect with other platforms, through which you can promote yourself, your work, and your brand. At the very bottom, there are settings for your account, where you can set up the name of the account, provide contact details, choose the currency, change password, add a two-step verification. Merchandise has its own shelf and related merch features that allow eligible channels to show their branded merchandise on YouTube. The shelf appears on the video page of those channels. Remember that they may not show on all video pages. Membership. It allows your fans to pay a monthly fee in order to get access to members-only badges, videos, emojis, and perks. When at least 25% of your audience comes from your subscribers, the membership can work properly. First, you'll have to set up a membership by following the next steps. But before you do that, think what kind of membership you want to offer to your followers. You can create a single membership level and price, or offer multiple levels and prices. The point is to come up to your unique channel membership method. You can also create your own emojis and badges and decide who can get them and when they can get them. Only members will have the privilege to have them. Video. Create a video that will announce your memberships. This way you'll promote this part of YouTube additionally. Post to welcome new members. When it's all set up, you can create a post for your community and say hello to your biggest fans. Supers. Chat and stickers as the ways to monetize your channel through the YouTube Partner Program. Your viewers can buy chat messages and sounds, which can be pinned to the top of your chats. It will let your viewers purchase chat messages that stand out in chat feed. It can be very interesting while doing live streams on YouTube. You can also moderate them. Live chat is turned on by default and shows up to the right of your live streamer's video player, and after your live stream ends, it will be archived and viewers can replay the video along with the live chat. Live chat only shows up on YouTube watch pages, not on embedded players. However, keep in mind, if the channel or video is set for kids, live chat is not available. Live chat badges identify as the streamer and the moderator. YouTube Partner Program options. This part is active if your channel is eligible for monetization if you have AdSense for it, by adding your card details like this. You can leave this YouTube program anytime you want. But remember, if you do, there will not be any revenue for your videos. Monetizing is applied to individual videos and to the whole channel. What is inappropriate to use and what can harm your channel? Spam, deception, scams, nudity, and sexual content, child safety, harmful or dangerous content, hate speech, harassment, and cyberbullying. However, be sure to go through all YouTube guidelines before you decide to do something that is not in a good manner. YouTube will place ads according to your target group, settings that you made, your video themes, most viewed videos, newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata. In example, titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Remember that if content violated YouTube's community guidelines, it's not eligible for monetization and will be removed from YouTube. Now go to YouTube account, YouTube Studio, left menu content. Check besides each video if it's monetized. Green means that it is. Yellow means that your video is not showing ads because it's been identified as a non-ad friendly video. Red, it's not monetized because it violated some YouTube rules and guidelines. Go to YouTube account, YouTube Studio, left menu, content. Besides each video thumbnail, there's a $sign. Clicking on that will make the list of ad types appear. Do you want ads to be shown before or after your video? Do you wish them to be skippable or not? Everything depends on what kind of audience you have, how long is your video, what are you showing in your video, and does your audience prefer short or long advertisements? The good thing is that in the longer videos you can place ads manually. You'll never know what kind of ad or advertiser will show up in your video, but you can manage when it will show up. When you're still here in monetization, click on Manage Midrolls. Click on a part of the video and Ad Break. It will show the exact time when the ad will be played. At any time you can edit it and click on a trash can. Also, you can always click on Place Automatically. But remember this, when you watch TV shows, movies on TV, etc., the ad block always starts at the most interesting part, right? Maybe this tip can be helpful. Try not to be aggressive with ads, because if you are, people will skip ads and eventually skip your videos. Remember CPM from our free video tutorial, Social Media Language and Expressions? Well, now it's the best time to use it and know how to read them. CPM, or cost per mile, is a term in marketing which measures the price that an advertiser pays for 1,000 clicks or views of his or her ad. But the price depends on a country's economy, location of reviewers, do they watch the ad or just skip it, and do they go to the additional link for the ad. In the end, do not forget about the content you're presenting. That should be the first step in creating a good video and good presentation for your business, company, service, or even yourself. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.